Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys all took the time to watch the introduction video that I made for this Array City project. If you haven't, make sure you watch that one first before you watch this. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I am going to make the first phase of our project, which is the building. Now, each part of this project, you're going to be using the windows on either the building, the plane, or the house to show a multiplication problem that I'm going to give you. So I'm going to hop onto AutoDraw, which is what we're using. Remember, you can type autodraw.com in if you can't find the link. It's pretty easy to get to. But I am going to show you how I'm going to do the problem 4 times 2 equals 8 for my Array City. So I'm going to hop over to AutoDraw. Now, I showed you how to use a lot of different tools during that introduction video. I'm going to be using the shape just because I think it's easier to make buildings. So I'm going to start by making the shape of my building. You can make it as tall or as wide as you want. And then I'm going to use triangles for my windows. You can use whatever kind of shape that you want. And remember, my problem is 4 times 2 equals 8. And what that means is that I need to have 4 rows and 2 columns in my array. And remember, an array is just a big fancy word for a useful representation for a multiplication or repeated addition equation. So I'm going to start by making my 4 rows. You'll notice that I am not a seasoned professional at using AutoDraw, so don't expect yours to be perfect either. So I've shown 4 rows, and I need 2 columns. So this is 1 column. I need one more column over here. And once I finish my windows for my array, I can make this look more like a building in any way I want. You can add a roof. You can add a door. You can add decorations, anything like that. Okay, but with each phase of this project, I want you to make sure to write your equation that you've displayed on your building. So I'm going to type down here. You'll see that I made 4 rows and I made 2 columns. So my array shows that 4 times 2 equals, and I can count my windows if I'm not sure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It shows 8 windows. Okay, if I wanted to make a repeated addition equation, I could also say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8, or 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, so that's my building. Now I am going to show you one more time how to download this so that you can save it. If you go to those 3 lines up here, you can click on it, you can click download, click on that, and then you can save it from there. Okay, and if you forget how to do that, you can hop back to my introduction video too. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and start over so that we can do one together. The problem that we're going to do together is 3 times 3 equals 9. So I'm going to give you a second to think through how you would draw that building. You can draw on paper if you want or just think through it, but we're doing 3 times 3 equals 9. I'm going to start drawing mine, so don't look until you really thought about it. Remember, you can always pause my video if you need some more time. All right, I'm going to go ahead and explain my drawing. My drawing is showing 3 times 3 equals 9, and you'll see that I have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go ahead and write my equation underneath, just like I want you guys to do. So I have 3 rows and 3 columns, and if I find the total of all of these windows, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 windows. Okay, I hope you guys were thinking through and got 9 too. Okay, now I am going to have you guys do one more on your own, and this is the one you're going to submit to Canvas. I want you guys to show 2 times 5 equals 10. Okay, so this is the problem I want you guys to do. You can start a new AutoDraw and then get going on that. Just make sure you submit that to Canvas, and that's it for today. All right, thanks guys.